Hey guys, welcome back. So now you got a Visa gift card. Maybe you did a focus group or an online survey or something like that. Maybe somebody bought it for you. Maybe it was a Christmas gift. But you want the cash. You don't want to go shopping. You don't want to pay a bill. You want the cash. You want to decide how you spend the money. I'm going to show you how to do it. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. What's going on, guys? Art here off the Dope Media Group. Welcome back. So now let's say you got a handy dandy little Visa gift card for whatever reason. Maybe you did a survey, maybe you did a focus group, maybe you had a client that paid you in a Visa gift card or what have you. However, you have no way to actively get the cash off of the card. There's no PIN number. You can't take it to an ATM and do a withdrawal. The cards, most of these Visa gift cards will not allow you to go to a bank and do a cash advance and things of that nature. These will be the most common ways that you would pull money off of a card. However, they don't allow you to do that. In most instances, when you get the cards, they'll have all the terms and conditions and how you can and what you can and can't do with it. For all practical purposes and what we're talking about, again, you will not be able to pull cash off of it. You can't pre-authorize it to pay a Netflix bill or anything like that. When it's handed to you, generally speaking, what they're looking for you to do, or what they're empowering or enabling you to do, is basically swipe the card like it's a card, and then just swipe it until the cash is gone. However, most of us would like control of their cash, and I'm going to show you how to get control of the cash that's on this card. It's quite simple. What you need is a PayPal business account. Now, they're not difficult. Don't freak out on me. They're not difficult to get. You just have to apply. There's plenty. I'm not going to go through the process of how you do it, but again, it's not difficult to do. You basically just need, I think you can do it with a social security number. You can do it with an EIN number or employee identification number, but you submit your information to PayPal and set it up, and you will have a PayPal business account. Now, the reason a PayPal business account, now I don't know, there may be other ways that you can do it with PayPal, I don't know, but this is what works for me. I'm sure there are more than one way to do it. There are plenty of videos out there that are saying PayPal, with respect to getting cash and so forth. But this way utilizes the PayPal business account. And the reason I like it is because it's simple. What you do is this: is once you have a PayPal business account established, and you will need 2 email addresses for this. Obviously, the email address that you register with your PayPal account, and then a separate email, because you can't sign into both at the same time. Sign into your PayPal business account. Create an invoice, and that's one of the major differences between PayPal personal, a regular PayPal account, and the business is that you have the ability. Now, there are other differences and so forth, but for our purposes, the major difference is the ability to send an invoice. Now, what you're going to do is create an invoice online through the PayPal. You can do it through the app on your phone, or you can do it online. You're going to create an invoice for yourself in the amount of the card. So if you have a $125 Visa gift card, you're going to create a invoice to yourself, to your other email address or your second email address, in the amount of $125, and send it to yourself. Now, with a lot of the Visa gift cards, you'll need to register, because when they set them up, again, I'm speaking more specifically about focus groups and surveys. When they register these cards, they register with their company name and their company address. Generally speaking, you'll have the website information that you go to for the card, and you'll need to go in there and make sure you can basically change billing information from the company to you with your address. Real simple. So anyway, once you do that, you send yourself the email. Now, what you're going to do when you get the email with the invoice that you sent yourself, you're going to pay that invoice with your Visa gift card. Okay, I'm going to say that again. You're sending yourself an email with an invoice through PayPal Business. You're going to invoice yourself for the cost of the card. Pretty simple. Pay that invoice with the Visa gift card. Now, PayPal, depending on the cost of the invoice, or depending on the cost of the card, they're going to take a transaction fee. However, it's pretty close to what it would be if you had an ATM, if you had a pen and you could, you do a cash withdrawal. So you're gonna have to pay somewhere. If it had an ATM, if you could do it, you pay that ATM, whatever the case may be. So there will be a fee. So if it's 125, for example, I think it may be $4 or something that goes to PayPal. So anyway, point being is this: you pay the invoice with the Visa gift card. The money gets transferred from the gift card to your PayPal account. At that point, you will have, if you've already established your PayPal business account, you will have a PayPal Visa debit card. Now all you need to do is simply either pay your bills, do what you need to do online, however you're going to do it, or go to an ATM and pull the cash out. Now I hear some of you saying, okay, yeah, well, you're paying two fees. You're paying the fee to PayPal initially, and then you're paying the fee to the ATM for the ATM withdrawal. Yes, you are, but you're getting access to your money, whereas you had no access to this other than swiping it and using it as a debit card. So anyway, any questions, any comments, leave them in the description below. I hope this helps you out. As always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Hope you're having a good day. Hope this brought some value to you. And have a good day, night, or evening, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. Peace.